2-word sentences.
He winked. Step aside. Come alone. Hold tight. Chill out. Everybody left. Have some. Release him. Keep out. Stop humming. Stop daydreaming. What nonsense. Nice timing. Everything stopped. Speak clearly. It's obvious. Believe me. You too. Your turn. Drive carefully. Who else? Fix this. Be quiet. Defend yourself. Not required. Stop sniffling. Nobody laughed. Not yet. Finish it. Be nice, tell everybody. Honesty pays. At last. He giggled. Thanks a lot. Nobody listen. Stop gossiping. Help yourself. Say close. Join me. Say something. I know. Bad timing. It's high. He insisted. He shrugged. Forget her. Stop squabbling. Keep reading. Eat something. Scoot over. I forgot. Too late. Years passed. I apologize. Hurry back. Feel this. Stop interfering. Nobody can. Talk properly. Don't abuse. Move on. Don't ask. It's fantastic. Cheer up. Me too. Taste this. Not bad. Step forward. What now? That's all right. Eat it. Choose carefully. Go ahead. Come fast. Read aloud. Go on. At least. Aim high. Be prepared. My pleasure. Be seated. Stand by. Sounds great. She knows. Have courage. Promise me. Watch me. Things changed. Any problem? Marry me. Get down. Step back. Be calm. Sit still. Nobody came. He yawned. Stay away. Hands off. Think again. What's new? Wash everything. It's amazing. What happened? Keep quiet. Try some. Don't move. Call him. Don't worry. Get upstairs. Stay calm. Skip it. Can't say. See you. Finish this. Calm down. For what? Look again. Then what? That's true. Stay alert. God exist. Sit upright. Try hard. Ask around. Get ready. Listen up. Ghosts exist. He refused. Identify yourself. Move aside. I overslept. Get serious. Help him. It's hard. Come down. Dress warmly. Be sensible. Stop overreacting. Smell this. Check everyone. Grab that. He burped.
Time flies. Call me. Be patient. Stay down. Turn around. Hit him. Look ahead. Drive faster. Slow down. Look around. Check around. Catch him. Turn left. That's enough. Nobody lied. Nobody knew. Start writing. Go straight. Everyone dreams. Pace yourself. Behave yourself. How foolish. Have faith. Start now. Leave it. Is it? Step inside. Bring help. Stop moving. Allow me. Cool down. Defend yourselves. Bring water. People change. No doubt. Be punctual. Come over. Pardon me. Forgive me. How sad. Clean up. Stand up. What else? He snores. Carry on. Sing along. Be yourself. Stop whining. That's all. No problem. Return immediately. Check again. Stop lying. Nobody knows. Keep smiling. Take mine. Well done. Stop there. Start over. Everyone escaped. Keep it. Got it. But why? Take control. Bad idea. I agree. Save yourself. Keep listening. Who knows? Go home. You can. Answer me. Turn right. It's simple. I did. They arrived. Control yourself. It's done. Stop yelling. Open up. Stop meddling. Very fine. Look away. It's good. Be ready. It's impossible. Stay focused. Get everything. Take care. Something changed. Thanks anyway. Leave everything. It's different. It's nothing. Speak softly. Warn him. Be vigilant. Everyone gossips. Lie still. Listen carefully. Back off. After you. Be realistic. Have another. Don't whisper. Keep reading. Love lasts. Take this. Eat up. Replace it. Go abroad. Stay put. How sweet. Be content. Take rest. Take bath. Go slow. Jump across. Who cares? Stand back. That's amazing. Come again. Lighten up. Take everything. That happens. Nobody understands. Nothing special. Eat slowly. Come along. Keep trying. Call them. Everything matters. Just coming. I disagree. He swore. Forgive her. Who's next? Memorize it. Keep them. Be attentive. Come closer. Stop pushing. I do. Nobody asked. Somebody called. Keep talking. Good idea.
Thanks for watching.